Hi, Miss M6576. Please introduce yourself.
Hello, ma'am, sir. My name is Marisol Apdesi, 32 years old, uh, single. I have no kids. I have four brothers and three sisters, and I am a fourth of the family. I am a Roman Catholic. I have experience as a nanny here in the Philippines 3 years, year 2021 to 2023. I serve one couple, including the newborn baby. My duties is focus on the baby and household chores.
Okay. So you have experience being a helper here in the Philippines
Yes.
and taking care of a newborn baby. Correct me if I'm wrong. You are work for February 2021 until
March
March 20.
2023.
So 2 years, right?
Yes.
2 years and 1 month.
1 month.
So you work for a family of three for 2 years and 1 month taking care of a newborn baby. So you are a first timer and you know how to prepare a milk for a newborn, right? Because you
Yes,
have an
sir.
experience.
Yes, sir.
So if the newborn baby is crying, what will you do?
I will check her diaper. Maybe it's full. I will check her temperature. Maybe she is sick. I will call her mother to go to the hospital.
If the baby won't stop to cry.
Yes.
Okay. What is your motivation to work abroad?
I want to help my family and save money for our future.
Okay. And how long do you want to work in Hong Kong?
It depends for my employer to want me to stay.
So it is okay to you to be extended.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Do you have any ideas how to prepare Chinese food?
I have no idea, but I am willing to learn.
And how will you learn to cook?
Maybe I watch YouTube or I will tell my employer to teach me how to cook Chinese foods.
So you will ask for help.
Yes.
Okay. If your employer prepare food that you are not familiar, it is okay to you to eat the food that they provide?
Yes, sir.
It is okay to you to share a job without a helper?
Yes, sir.
Can you promise not to use cell phone without your employer's consent?
Yes, sir.
How about take good care of their children as your own? Treat them as your own. Is it okay with you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. How about taking care of elderly and pets?
Yes, sir.
If if one of your employer's family can speak English, it is okay to you to learn their language?
Yes, sir. I'm willing to learn too.
Okay. Your message for your future employer.
Hi, ma'am, sir. Please hire me. I will do my best and respect your rules and regulation. I will I will do my job to take care of your children. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you so much, Miss Marisol. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, bye.